Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock where its billionaire promoter Shiv Nadar has via his entity Vamasundari Investments Delhi Private Limited has bought 1.1 million shares worth rupees 1 billion in two tranches on October 30 and November 2. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is ACL Technologies Limited, which is available at rupees 1027.90 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is ACL TECH. Now ACL Technologies Limited is engaged in providing a range of software development services, business process outsourcing services and information technology infrastructure services. Now technology stocks have caught the street's fancy over the past 1 year with rupee ceding ground. This has happened even as heavyweights TCS and Infosys have bagged large deals. While the Nifty IT index has gone up by 5% as of November 11, the stock of TCS and Infosys have spiked by 41% and 43% respectively. ACL Technologies, however, has been playing catch up with the stock gaining just 17% owing to relatively subdued operational performance over the past 2 quarters. However, the trend changed in Q2 of FY19 as the company met the street's expectation with revenue growing 19.5% year-on-year to Rs 148.61 billion. EBIT increased by 21% to Rs 29.96 billion. The revenue growth was driven by better performance in North America, which accounts for 69% of revenue. Now, amid the stock surge, promoter Shiv Nadar owned entity Vamasundari Investments Delhi Private Limited bought 1.1 million shares worth Rs 1 billion on October 30 and November 2, increasing its stake marginally to 42.90% against 42.82%. However, this comes just days after promoter entities Vamasundari Investments Delhi, ACL Equities, ACL Corporation and ACL Holdings tendered over 10 million shares worth Rs 27.70 billion in a buyback. Now looking at the 1-year chart, the company has been choppy even though it has created some wealth for its shareholders in very weak market conditions. The market cap of the company indicates that it's a large cap and the stock is available at relatively cheap price to earnings ratio of 18.00 when compared with industry PE of 22.88. The price to book ratio of 5.19 is however on the higher side. The promoter holding of 60.17 is also quite high. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.